2 easy and delicious crock-pot dinners. 1. Chicken pasta. Chicken. Seasonings. Seasonings. Favorite pasta sauce. Favorite Alfredo sauce. Cover and cook until chicken is done. I normally do high for 5–6 hours. Cook your favorite pasta. Shred chicken. Add shredded cheese. Add pasta to crock-pot. More cheese. Serve and enjoy. 2. Chicken enchiladas. Chicken. Seasonings. Seasonings. 2 10-ounce cans of your favorite enchilada sauce. Your favorite salsa, measure with your heart. Cover and cook on high for 5–6 hours. Shred chicken. Cut any flour tortillas into bite-sized pieces. Shredded cheese. Serve and enjoy.